And when you're measuring, you're going to measure from the edge of the brick molding here to the edge of the brick molding here. You do not want to go from the door jamb to the door jamb because you'll be about 1 inch too small. So I'm going to take the tape measure. I'm going from the edge of the trim to the edge of the trim. And we see 36 inches there. And the reason you go trim to trim is that this latch rail goes right over top of the frame like that. So it's inset into the door. So we've got 36 inches wide, and you're going to measure 3 places. The bottom, which is 36, the middle, which is 36 1/8, and as high as you can get, 36 1/8. You've measured the width, now you're going to measure the height. You set the tape measure on the sill there and go all the way up to the underside of the brick molding. We're at 96 and I'll call it 3/8 inches there. And then sill to the brick molding, 96 and 3/8. And then on the latch side, 96 1/2. Shock surprise, not a perfectly square opening. We're also going to measure the jamb depth because you want to make sure that you have at least 1 inch of space between the door handle and where the storm door is going to go, so that the door handle on the storm door does not hit the door handle on the entry door.